how to plan or set your mind for the coming year. That is our Paano Ba To issue for today, and I decided to invite a superwoman. Siya talaga ang superwoman to give advice. None other than Mommy Maricel. Hi! How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you so much for being willing to give advice.
Oh, my pleasure.
Alam mo, the reason why I decided to invite you to give advice on this is I remember seeing a post of kayong mag-asawa about how you do planning, a goal setting with your kids, the whole family, every start of the year. And I want to learn some tips from you on how you guys do that. How long have you guys been doing this yearly planning for the family?
I don't remember na because when you're married to a management consultant trainer, parang it's part na of your life, di ba?
Automatic, oo.
So, we do a yearly planning thing as a family, and then we do a weekly planning thing as a family.
Okay.
We sit down on a weekly basis. But first, we have to understand kasi the importance of planning.
Right.
If you don't plan, you will plan to fail. Yun
Okay.
yung concept behind it. Kaya kami nagpa-plano.
Yes.
Kasi maraming nangyayari sa buhay araw-araw, pero pag pinlano mo,
Yeah.
kumbaga yung effort na gagawin mo doon, mas konti na lang, at saka yung relaxation mo mas mahaba.
Yes.
Kasi
Correct.
hindi ka naman stress.
So when people who watch this, like me, I'm not really a year planner, but I really want to learn how. What are the things I should do or ask myself or remember?
Kung mag-isa ka lang madali, kung mayroong kang pamilya, mahirap.
We'll work together.
You have to find a common time na umupo kayo at saka hindi magre-reklamo yung mga tao na why is it taking so long?
Yeah.
Kasi paplanuhin niyo yung buhay ninyo collectively at saka buhay ninyo
Right.
tigit-tigisa. Kung mag-isa ka ganito, just have to understand, number one, that it's important to plan. If you understand na if it's a priority for you, gagawin mo.
Yes.
And then, pagka nagplano ka na, umupo ka na, nagdesisyon ka na yes, kailangan ko magplano, i-review mo muna ano nangyari last year. Pero hindi mo lang yun i-share, i-visualize mo. Kasi maraming bagay na nasasabi mo, pero mas maraming bagay na hindi mo masabi, pero nakikita mo dahil na-visualize mo.
Okay.
So, pag nakita mo yon, i-share mo dun sa kung sino man yung mentor mo o kaya yung nag-guide sa'yo. Kung pamilya kayo, you share to each other. Ngayon, tanungin mo, dito base dun sa naplano ko, ano sa palagay mo yung bagay sa akin, ano yung hindi bagay sa akin? So, in our case, tigitigisang binigyan kami ng mga post-it notes, tapos sinulat namin sa bawat isang tao, ano yung palagay namin nag-work, ano
Okay.
yung hindi nag-work.
Okay, meaning assessing each other, kayong
Yes.
family.
Oo.
Okay, that's good.
Kasi that's looking at the past year from
Yes.
the other person's
Right.
point of view.
Right.
Tayo siguro go, go, go. Pero para sa ibang tao, parang napapansin
Yes.
ko, nalilihis ka dun sa purpose at vision.
And family would be perfect kasi they genuinely care about
Yes.
you at saka kita nila from third-person point of view.
At
Okay.
saka kasi, we know as a team, as a family, kung anong direction pupuntahan namin.
Right.
So, pag medyo na-share mo kung ano yung mga observations mo, kasi base yun dun sa vision na nilalapitan natin o
Right.
nilalayuan natin or
Right.
nililihisan natin. One is, you know the importance of planning. Number two is, you assess last year. And then, you assess other people based on the common vision. Tapos, i-assess mo yung sarili mo. How am I doing?
Yeah.
As a person, as how I've observed things to have happened. Tapos, saan ko gusto ito mapunta? Ang maganda dyan is, i-compare namin yan from last year's planning to this year's goal of setting ourselves to where we wanna go.
Yes.
Tapos makikita namin doon, uy, ito yung mga pinlano natin last year na tuloy.
Right.
Ito yung mga plano na pwedeng ituloy this year.
Right.
Or itong year naman na to, ito yung gusto namin ma-achieve. Tapos, paano tayo pupunta doon? We have a team in the office naman that we check these things with. Na sasabihin namin, okay, ito yung family vision namin.
Yeah.
Consistent ba ito sa family branding vision namin for the year? So the team naman now will give their inputs. That's where we draw our planning for the 2019
Yeah.
in the corporate or career sense naman of the family.
So, parehong personal and professional,
Yes.
natutuhod.
Kasi in our family, we don't believe na trabaho lang, walang personal. We are one whole integrated body. Kung anong ginagawa mo sa personal na buhay mo, lumalabas yan sa professional na buhay mo.
Right.
Lalo na kami, being in the media, ikaw, hindi naman natin pwedeng ma-separate na, ito ako sa personal, ito ako sa public. persona ko. Kailangan consistent yun.
Yes.
At saka dapat, totoo ka. Kung sino ka, yun ka talaga.
Right.
Walang panggapan, walang plastikan, you
Yes,
know?
yes.
This is the real us.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Oh, and kitang-kita naman yun ng tao. And parang umiikot talaga the blessings. Kasi you give, and then you get, and then you give, and then you get.
Well, I think it's not just that we want to be blessed. We want to be instruments of sharing whatever we know to other people.
Right.
And as Donnie would always say, the glory is His. It's not ours. Kasi kami, we were just blessed to have people mentor us to go this direction.
Yeah.
Now, if we can move more people towards the same direction na may purpose yung mga tao, hindi lang yung parang, okay, kung ano lang mangyari today,
Yeah.
i-level up natin. Pwede naman eh. We have all the resources to improve our lives.
Right.
Let's build each other up.
That's so applicable hindi lang sa family but to each other, to friends, to workmates. Oh, I know I'll start that kind of planning with my family when my kids are also bigger na.
Oh, no. Start now.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Always start them young.
I like that. Oh, I will. Pagka-uwi, agad-agad. I'll talk to my husband. Thank you so much for your golden advice. I hope that helped everyone trying to set their mind right for the coming year.
May pahabol.
Yes, of
Pag
course.
hindi nakuha sa plano, relax lang. Try and try again. Hindi yung, wala yan sa plano, kailangan nasa plano. Medyo nakaka-stress yun. Tsaka,
Very
hindi naman
important tip.
palaging perfect yung scenario and situation. Merong mga days na off,
Yes.
okay lang yun. Let's be kind to one another.
Very important reminder for all of us. Oh, that's it. I hope that helped you guys. I'm sure it did. Until next time.